Hi, thanks for joining me. We're going to be making carrot, orange and ginger soup today. Besides the health benefits, which are just ridiculous, this soup is probably one of the most beautiful to look at that you will ever see, and it tastes every bit as good as it looks. So quick, easy, and a family favorite. I've been making this one for about 25 years now, and it's still a family favorite, and still it's our starter at pretty much every family gathering because that's what everybody asks for. So without further ado, let's get on with it. This is all the ingredients you're going to need to make carrot, orange and ginger soup. You need avocado or olive oil, a pound of carrots, a large orange, a large onion, about a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. You need bone broth, sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, 1 bay leaf, and you're going to need either dry or fresh parsley for garnish, and that is it. So the first thing is we need 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and we're just going to heat that gently while we just chop up our onion as roughly as we like. So let's get on with that. Okay, 2 tablespoons in, and just stick that on top of the stove and let it heat very gently. And while we do that, we'll chop the onion. Okay, so just slicing away, and again, I'm not really paying attention to size or anything. And we're going to put them in the pan. Once they're nice and soft, we'll do the carrots. Okay, looking good. Now that's getting a little bit soft and we've separated them enough. We can just leave these on a very low light to saute while we peel the carrots. It's part of what makes this so easy to make is just the low maintenance of it. So all of these, because this is a 1 pound bag, are going in there. Okay, so carrots are peeled and we're just going to chop them up and throw them in with the onion. Okay, just a little bit left to do, and then we can put these in. See how easy this is to do? Like, you don't really have to even think. Okay, done. Now, these are going to go in with our onion. So we're going to use the zest of the orange as well as the juice. So try and get an organic orange if you can and wash it really well. And just get all the zest. Last bit now. Okay, so we've got our zest and we'll put that in the pan in a moment. Now we're going to cut the orange in half and juice it. Last of the orange. Okay, that's pretty much like squeeze the life out of that now. And we'll just put it in the pan now. Okay, I'm going to put the juice, all of the juice in. Now all the zest is going in, and it's time for the broth. Pour in the 4 cups of bone broth or chicken stock, whichever you're using. Okay, the ginger is just really, really simple. You need about a 2-inch piece of ginger, fresh ginger. Just peel it. If you want more, you can add some ground ginger at the end. Okay, let's see if this is soft, and if it is, then time to blend. So, just waiting on those carrots now, and you can cut through them like butter, so it's perfect. I may be being mistress of the obvious here, but don't forget to discard your bay leaf. So, just do this in maybe 3-4 goes, depending on your blender. Some can handle more at a time than others. And then pour it into your waiting vessel and you're good to go. Okay, now that the soup is fully blended, you can see how smooth it is and how gorgeous and orange it is. It's just absolutely possibly one of the most splendid soups I think I've ever either created or had. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so our beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous soup is in here now. Let's have a little taste, see if we need to adjust anything. Oh my goodness. This is ready to serve and it's just beyond beautiful. What we're going to do is obviously put a little garnish, little parsley, dried, fresh, whatever you have, and you're ready to roll. If you want it creamier, you can put a little coconut milk or yogurt or almond yogurt, cashew, whatever, just a little swirl. And if not, you don't need it. Taste it, you'll know what you want to do. Just let's get in a little bit close there. Garnish is added and that is ready to serve. Thanks again for your company. This was great and I really enjoyed sharing this old family favorite with you. I hope you enjoy it. I'm confident that you will and that your family will. I'd love your comments once you've made it, and in the meanwhile, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe and you'll find out when my next video is coming out. For now, bye and I'll see you next time.
If you like this video, click like. If you really like it, click subscribe.